very proud of Shavana. She can be hard on herself, but hey, she's very resilient girl, and that makes me proud of her talaga. She worked hard for this and for her team, and not only that, yung mga kasama niya din niya, mga sisters niya, talaga. Nagtulungan talaga sila for this moment.
Karina, she was very emotional when she hugged you and your entire family. Did she say anything to you right after winning the championship?
She just hugged me and the tears just fell. Ang ibig sabihin nun, like, what a relief, mom, lahat ng paghihirap namin, eto na.
It's Mother's Day tomorrow, and you have such amazing kids, athletes as well. How fulfilling is it as a mother to, see your kids shine on different stages?
It is such a proud moment, obviously. I can't ask for more talaga. Ang hiling ko na lang sa mga anak ko, yung maging masaya sila in everything. And for all the mothers out there, they're doing all the great job as well. Doing all their best. You can only do so much. There will be moments now, oh, am I doing the right thing? Am I doing enough? But it's never enough. Pero at the end of the day, what matters is yung pagmamahal natin sa mga anak natin. Happy Mother's Day to all.